In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to smart query by component in Jira using JQL, Jira Query Language. We will walk through a step-by-step process, ensuring you understand how to effectively use JQL to filter issues by component. This tutorial is tailored for anyone familiar with Jira who wants to enhance their querying abilities, particularly for managing projects that involve multiple components. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Jira project and navigate to the Issues section. This is where you'll be conducting all your JQL magic, so getting familiar with this area is crucial. Once you're there, look for the option to switch to JQL. You'll often start in the basic search mode, but JQL offers much more flexibility and precision, which is why it's indispensable for more advanced users. Now let's talk about the basic JQL syntax you'll use to filter by component. A simple query would look something like this. Project equals your project name and component equals component name. Here replace your project name with the actual name of your project and component name with the particular component you're interested in. For example, if you want to find issues related to the front-end component within a project called CK, your query would read project equals CK and component L frontend. This query will narrow down the list of issues to only those associated with the front-end component in that specific project. If you're dealing with multiple components and want to include more than one in your query, you can do so by using the in operator. For instance, if you want to search for issues related to both the front-end and the dev team, you would type component in front-end dev team. This allows you to gather all issues related to any of the listed components, thereby making your search comprehensive. Sometimes you might need to find issues that don't have an assigned component. For that, you can use the query where component is empty. This is particularly helpful for tracking down issues that might have been overlooked or improperly filed. Alternatively, if your goal is to find issues that don't belong to a specific component, say the database, you would use the query component a database. This excludes any issues related to the database component, allowing you to focus on issues from other parts of the project. By mastering these JQL queries, you can greatly enhance your efficiency in navigating and managing issues within Jira. Being able to filter by component not only saves time, but also helps keep your project tracking more organized and focused. I hope this walkthrough helps you feel more confident using JQL in your day-to-day project management tasks within Jira. Thank you for joining me today and happy querying.